for sharing these details. Now, moving on, tragedy has struck in North Delhi's Burari when a newly constructed 4-story building collapsed, leaving a 7-year-old girl dead, along with an 18-year-old Radhika also dead. Authorities confirmed that 12 people have been rescued, but more are feared trapped under the debris. At least a dozen people have been injured, with 5 transferred to the trauma unit in critical condition. The rescue operation involving the Delhi Police, Fire Services, DDMA and NDRF are currently underway. The police have cordoned off the area as the search continues. My colleague Mehdi has filed ground reports from the site where the tragedy has struck and claimed the lives of 2 people.
A tragic incident happened yesterday in the evening in the Burari area in the Kaushik Enclave, and we are showing you the visuals from there as well, from where a 4-story building collapsed at around 6:30 p.m. in the evening, and right now the area has been cordoned off by the Delhi Police. The barricading has been done because right now the rescue operation is still going on the corner of the road of the street. We can say the rescue operation is still going on. The machinery is still deployed there to rescue more people, because there is an expectation that yes, more people can be stuck under the debris as of now, right now as well, because according to the Delhi Police officials, as of now 14 people have been rescued, in which 2 minor girls have been dead, one aged 7 years and the other aged 17 years. So right now it is expected that around 20 people were inside the building when the collapse happened, and still some people are stuck inside the debris. So according to the Delhi Police as well, the rescue operation is first of all going on, and the priority of the Delhi Police, the NDRF teams and all the officials are to rescue the people who are stuck under the debris as of now. But still, after 12 hours, we can say still the rescue operation is going on, and the area has been cordoned off. Nobody is allowed to go to that side because the NDRF teams and also the Delhi Police teams are there. But it is a very tragic incident that happened. The politics is also escalating on this issue, because Delhi's Chief Minister Atishi has also given a statement. The BJP MP from this area, Manoj Tiwari, has also given a statement of negligence, and also to do the recovery and the rescue operation more fastly, so that the family members can also meet their members who are still stuck inside. And as of now, the reason, the cause behind the building collapsing is still unidentified, and the Delhi Police will also release an official statement in some time back after the rescue operation gets completed. I'm Mehdi Garg from Burari for News 8.
Now, viewers, politics has